Babay na lang gabi. Babay na, Bia.
Babay na, para madali pa lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you. Heart,
I
heart.
love you.
Heart, heart. I miss you. Flying kiss. I miss you.
I miss you.
Take care always.
Take care always.
Good health.
God help. Health na siya, health.
Health. What will you do if you eating chocolate after you done eating chocolate and candies?
Brush my teeth.
Mapalaila yung camera palihog mabidi kay makwan na. Did you remind your mama to brush your teeth every day?
Yes.
Did you take your vitamins? How about your lotion? Did you apply lotion in your body?
Yes.
Did you eat vegetables and fruits?
Yes.
What is your name?
Julia Tidoso.
How old are you?
5 years old.
Who is your mother?
Mama Buna.
What is the work of your mama Buna?
Housekeeping.
Who is your father?
Papa Luwer.
What is the work of your papa Roel?
Production worker.
Where do you live?
Sa Balidbin.
Ah, very good. Are you male? Are you male or female?
Female.
Are you girl or boy?
A girl.
Ah, nice lagi lang ka. What do you want, baby brother or baby sister? Maayo ko na ma. What do you want, baby sister, baby brother?
Baby brother kaya ang tamin na malalim, baby brother.
If magkapugsoon ka lang ga, what if you have a siblings? What do you want, baby brother, baby sister? Siblings nimo.
Baby brother.
Ah, baby brother.
Baby brother.
Okay, okay, okay. I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
See you.
See you next time.
Hello ko, very good. Lagi lang. Upper B, you're so good. Very good. Upper. President call na lang. Ama, amping mo ma. Love you ma.
Amping sa daday, love you day.
Regards lang ko kay papa ninyong tanan. President call na lang ga. Very good kay ka ha. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up, Bia ha. Keep it up. Bia, listen to me. Keep it up ha. Keep it up.
Okay.
Okay, President call.